Hello students, we are going to continue chapter 1 grade 7 mathematics, multiplication and division on integers. For multiplying and dividing negative integers you have to follow two simple rules. First one is ignore the sign. What you have to do, simply multiply and divide. जैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन आप पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स के साथ करते हो वैसे ही आपको सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. You have to ignore the sign. Then after calculation we will put the sign. How we will decide the sign of the result? You have to check these two things. If both the signs are same, either it is plus plus or minus minus. If they are same, then the sign of result will be plus. If both the signs are different, one is plus and one is minus, then the sign of the result will be negative. You just have to follow these simple rules. See, I will show you by taking an example. Minus 5 multiply minus 2. First what you have to do, you just have to multiply and ignore the sign. 5 multiply by 2. 5 multiply by 2 कितना होता है? 10. Now we will put the sign. One is minus and other is also minus. It means both the signs are same. Then what will be the sign of the result? It will be plus. It means जो हमारा result है 10 उसका sign plus होगा. So plus 10 will be the answer. See, minus 5 multiply 3. Now first we will simply multiply. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Then we will put the sign. Check the signs here. One is minus and one is plus. Minus and plus. Both the signs are different. So what will be the sign of the result? Minus. So minus 15 will be the answer. See next question. 100 divided by minus 2. First we have to divide. So 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Now we will decide the sign. Both the signs are different. See 100, there is no sign written here. Whenever there is no sign written, we consider it a plus sign. It means here it is plus sign. One is plus and one is minus. When both the signs are different, then what will be the sign of the result? It will be negative. So minus 50 will be the answer. It is very simple. Minus 100 divided by minus 2. First, what you have to do, divide. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Now we will check the sign. Here it is minus, here it is also minus. Both the signs are minus. So when both the signs are same, what is the sign of the result? It is plus. So it means plus 50 will be our answer. So that's how you will multiply and divide negative integers. Now we are going to solve one more question. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. How you will solve this question? First you will divide 13 divided by 2. No, you are not going to. We will not move from left to right. This is not the rule. In such type of questions, we have to follow one rule which is BODMAS. What this rule says, B for bracket, O of, divide, division, then M for multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction. We have to do the calculation according to this rule. It means first we have to solve the bracket, then of, then divide, multiply, add and subtract. We have to follow this rule. And in bracket also there are three types of brackets. First we have to solve this bracket. Second we have to solve this bracket. And third, we have to solve this bracket. There are three types of bracket. First we will solve this one, then this one, and then this one. So see in this question. So first we will not divide. See, bracket and divide, which one comes first? Bracket comes first. So first we are going to solve the bracket, not the division. So this is the bracket. This is the bracket, first bracket that we have to solve. First we are going to solve this bracket, not the division. So write it like this. First solve this one. It is -2 plus 1. Addition and subtraction we have already done. So now tell me, by solving -2 plus 1 कितना होगा? Both the signs are different. It means हम लोग subtract करेंगे. So 2 minus 1 कितना होता है? 1. And what will be the sign of 1? Which one is greater? 2 is greater, and what is the sign of 2? It is minus. So -1 will come after solving this bracket. Now we will divide. So 13 divided by -1. 13 divided by -1 is equal to, first we will divide. 13 divided by 1 is equal to 13. Now we will put the sign. See, here it is plus, here it is minus. So what will be the sign of the result? It is -13. So -13 will be the result. We will solve one more question. See, here in this question also, first we are going to solve the bracket. This bracket. -31 divided by, first we are going to solve this bracket. -30 divided by -1. -30 divided by -1. What will come? -30 divided by -1 is equal to 30. Now what will be the answer? -31 divided by 30. This will be the answer. So practice more multiply and division questions. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.